Welcome to Honor Skyview Chem Polyatomic Ion of the Week. Our ion this week is cyanide. I'm Mrs. McKinney, but this is also for Mrs. Grant's class. The formula for cyanide is carbon and nitrogen. Just two elements, no subscripts, bringing in one electron, Cn1 negative. You'll notice there's no oxygen in this polyatomic ion, and that is why it does not end in ate. So unlike nitrate or sulfate or phosphate or carbonate, they all end with oxygen. This does not end with an oxygen or have oxygen in it, so its ending in its name ends in "ide." And that's a feature of writing and naming polyatomic ions that you want to be up and up on. Now, what is the Lewis electron dot structure? This is one of the last Lewis electron dot structures we need to memorize for our list of polyatomic ions. This is going to be just two elements side by side. And this is an interesting LEDs because what happens is nitrogen often has the characteristic of creating a triple bond, and it does in this structure with carbon. The reason for that will be explained in more detail later on when we figure out how we calculate total valence electrons and distribute them in bonding. But right now, what you need to know is that there are only 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 electrons available for this whole compound. Therefore, it's got to create a triple bond for carbon to get its octet and nitrogen to get its octet. We then go ahead and put brackets around the structure to let the reader know that it's brought in one electron. Remember, you can always just write negative. The 1 can be silent, but if it's 2 or greater, you need to write the actual number. So cyanide is a polyatomic ion that is not containing oxygen, therefore it does not end in ate, ends in ide. That has a triple bond between the carbon and nitrogen, so therefore just one lone pair on each element end. All right, have a good one.